A common spin on a choice classic, this awesome 356 Speedster mixes timeless Volkswagen power with a roll-it-yourself 4-speed, Volkswagen suspension components, and crowd-pleasing aesthetics. Titled as a 1966 Volkswagen sedan, this super slick roadster started life as a common people mover. Paraded only weekend miles since its grand transformation, the car wears voluptuous vintage Speedster's ultra-wide body fiberglass that mixes impressive fit and finish with rich black two-stage. A stainless-trimmed windshield, polished overriders, and a tasteful canvas roof accent that striking pigment. Teardrop tail lamps join modern wipers, stylish mirrors, and modern headlights to make sure everyone stays safe. One look inside this custom interior reveals just how serious the car's aspirations are when it comes to being driver-focused. Slim seats stretch tight saddle leather under modern lap belts. In front of those seats, a leather-capped dash frames classy original-style gauges. And the driver carves curves through a wood-rimmed steering wheel and a wood-capped floor shifter. Simple and easy to live with, this Roadster's storied boxer motor utilizes dual carburetors to provide plenty of spirited performance. Under that engine, a tough 4-speed serves power to the rear wheels. There simply aren't that many chances to own a unique European custom, and with its sorted chassis, tough 4-speed, and stalwart engine, this Speedster will certainly provide years of one-of-a-kind memories. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.